Right now, at this very moment, you are standing on a massive planet spinning silently on its axis at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour now. But you cannot feel this intense kinetic movement because everything around you is also moving at the exact same constant speed and in the same direction throughout your daily life. But imagine a sudden cosmic catastrophe of epic proportions. What if our home planet Earth suddenly and completely stopped spinning on its axis in the middle of our normal day? Colossal, hurricane-force winds of supersonic speed would tear violently across all continents, instantly sweeping away ancient forests, heavy vehicles, topsoil, and every loose object in their deadly path. What would realistically happen to humanity, our cities, and the very ground beneath our feet when the eternal rotation of the globe stops and the atmosphere continues to move forward? The moment Earth stopped rotating, the solid ground would instantly halt. But everything else not anchored to bedrock would continue moving forward with terrifying momentum because of absolute inertia. Prosperous coastal cities would instantly disappear beneath these enormous waves, drowning iconic landmarks and permanently reshaping the geographic outlines of our global continents and coastlines forever in history now today. Even if small groups of humanity somehow managed to survive the initial kinetic impact, our home planet Earth would quickly become almost entirely unrecognizable, transformed into an alien world now. Modern steel skyscrapers and concrete office buildings would violently shake, shear at their foundations, and rapidly collapse into massive piles of smoking ruins, burying entire downtown streets below. Only a narrow, delicate golden strip of twilight between the burning day side and the frozen night side might remain temperate and habitable enough to support human life and agriculture. But the solid land is not the only threat. The vast oceans of the world would soon become Earth's greatest and most destructive weapon against the survivors of the storm. Billions of tons of ocean water would continue moving across the planet's surface with unstoppable kinetic force, creating gigantic and apocalyptic tsunamis that rise hundreds of meters high now today. Prosperous coastal cities would instantly disappear beneath these enormous waves, drowning iconic landmarks and permanently reshaping the geographic outlines of our global continents and coastlines forever in history now today. Even if small groups of humanity somehow managed to survive the initial kinetic impact, our home planet Earth would quickly become almost entirely unrecognizable, transformed into an alien world now. Because the planetary rotation has completely stopped, one side of the planet would now face the sun continuously for months, baking under intense heat and expanding scorched, barren deserts now. Meanwhile, the opposite hemisphere of the world would remain cast in permanent cosmic darkness, freezing into a silent ice sheet colder than any winter ever recorded in deepest Antarctica now. Only a narrow, delicate golden strip of twilight between the burning day side and the frozen night side might remain temperate and habitable enough to support human life and agriculture. To survive and endure in this hostile new world, the brave remnants of humanity would have to adapt and build complex new survival systems beneath the frozen and scorched surfaces. Deep underground bunker cities, powered by artificial sunlight, highly advanced vertical indoor farms, and geothermal energy systems would become our absolute only hope of long-term survival and civilizational continuity now. Faced with an extreme and alien environment, human civilization would be forced to rebuild its entire infrastructure and start anew on what now feels like a completely different planet now. Fortunately for all of us, this terrifying planetary scenario is only a speculative scientific thought experiment and not a real, active danger to our world in our lifetimes now today. Our planet Earth has been spinning steadily for over 4.5 billion years, creating and maintaining the perfect, beautifully stable atmospheric conditions required for diverse biological life to flourish. Every beautiful morning sunrise, every peaceful evening sunset, and indeed every single quiet moment of our lives directly depends on this continuous, silent and steady planetary movement through space now. So, the next time you look up at the calm blue sky, remember that you are standing on a giant rock racing through the deep space at an incredible speed. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science mysteries and incredible cosmic discoveries about the wonderful and mysterious universe that we all call our home today now.